Hello guys, so we're going at Hong Kong and this is the Victoria Peak Tram. Ooh, look at this nice nature, what Hong Kong tastes like. Okay, we're going in. Whoa, breezes. Okay, we're going over the escalator. Okay, we're climbing. Walking up the escalator. It's me there waiting. Okay. So we go in that thing. So yeah. So this is the train where we go there. It's pretty like, what you call that? Yeah. Okay, there goes the people. Oh, flock people. They're kind of late. Oh, whoa. So we're going up the hill at Victoria Peak. By the way, I'm not sure if it's a hill or a mountain, but it's a peak of the mountain. Ooh, look at those nature. Imagine going up the stairs and look at those buildings. They even reach up here. And a tunnel. There's even a road here. So we came over a road. Impressive. Ooh. Whoa, look at these trees. Another tunnel seems like. Okay. Whoa, we're going very high. It's going steeper. Those buildings are very high, or they could just be placed on the mountain. Like that building, it's still constructing. How amazing. Okay, so this is the side view. Okay, that's me. So, and that's my sister, and that's my dad. Okay, there's another train. Okay, nice. Ooh, look at the building. Oh. Ooh, there's some buildings over there behind the trees. Okay, pictures. Look at our pictures. Pretty good. And nature back again. Then that's where we arrived. Look, welcome to the Victoria Peak. There's a precious mall up here. And two skyscrapers right here. When we saw. And that's what I told you. And that's me. I'm not feeling that cold that much. So we're getting down for a better view. Look at you. And this is the old train. That's the old train, by the way. And look. Foggy. Ooh, pretty high. Oh, there's a building right there. There's so many constructions. And this is the government. The government built this all. That's when it's so clear. And can't even see a thing. Oh, okay. There's like, we could see a bit, baby. What is it, Sesame? See? Look, there's one tower over there. Okay, we're going down. Okay. Ooh, foggy, foggy. More foggy. Look how much floor. It's like 7 or something. Man, oh, I didn't read that. So, that's Hong Kong Day. Yeah, there's man, there's fake one, fog. Oh, that's where it's fog. Bus stop. Peak like a box. Yeah. That's where we see the view inside.